I'm a big fan of using Microsoft Excel in introductory statistics classes, right? Because it's got a lot to offer. About 95% of what you're going to do in an introductory statistics class, you can do right out of the box. Right? Everything you need is built in here with the kind of Excel formulas that if you've used Excel for any length of time, you're already familiar with. And that's great. There are, however, to kind of depend on how far your class goes, or if you go into a second semester statistics class, there are some things that it doesn't do just out of the box that you're probably going to want it to do. Things like analysis of variance, for example. Fortunately, there is an add-on that you can use that it comes with Excel. It's just not pre-installed because a lot of people don't need to go that far. But it is easy to install. So here's how we're going to do that. We're going to go to the File menu and select Options. Then go down to Add-ins. Now, here, every time I have to do this on a new machine, I want to just click on Analysis, ToolPak, and OK. And there you go. But that's not going to work. What Excel is doing here is it's just giving you a list of what's available, right? If you want to make changes, we're going to go down here, select Excel add-ins if it wasn't selected already, then click on Go. Now we're in a place where we can actually add the add-in, right? I'm going to select Analysis ToolPak, and you see there's another one down here below it. If you're doing any kind of Excel programming, you're writing macros, that kind of thing, then you would need to include that Analysis ToolPak VBA option. 99% of people probably aren't going to be doing that. And if you are doing it, you knew immediately when you saw that you needed to add it. So if that didn't just jump out at you, you're fine. Just add the Analysis ToolPak. Click on OK. And you notice, if you were looking carefully, I'm on the Data menu strip here. When I clicked on OK, this data analysis option was added. Right? This is where you're going to go to do things like, I don't know why it starts in the middle of the list, but to do things like analysis of variance, covariance, if you want to actually do the F test manually, you can do histograms here. We'll talk more in some later lectures about the specific things you can do with this. But that's how you can tell if it was added, right? If that data analysis option appeared up in the menu strip.